So Ryan's making a sail for our dinghy so we can have a sailing dinghy. Made out of bamboo stalks and an old salvage sail from the bottom of the ocean.
Bam, a rudder tiller. This is the finished product of the dinghy rudder. A little bit of supports right here, some extra strength. And then I drilled out the set pin for the rudder, and then I drilled out the tiller and put a cotter pin through the set pin through the tiller handle, so the rudder pin won't fall out. All the way up. Yeah.
Woo, it works. There's our boat. Hi, Chachi. Woo, homemade sail. Home stitched. Homemade sailboat. This is exciting, everyone. We now have 3 eco-friendly, sustainable modes of transportation. We have this sailboat, this homemade dinghy sailing dinghy, and we have the paddleboard, and we have a kayak. Woo! 3 modes now.